In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open charts in MT4 or MT5 mobile. If you've just installed the app and you're a little lost looking at the screen, don't worry. This is genuinely one of the easiest things to get the hang of, and once you've done it a couple of times, it'll feel completely natural. Let's dive right in. First things first. When you open the app, you'll land on the Quotes tab by default, which is really just a live list of currency pairs and instruments with their current buy and sell prices. Along the bottom of your screen, you'll notice a few tabs: Quotes, Charts, Trade, History, and Settings, and these make up basically the entire app. So getting comfortable with them early on will save you a lot of confusion later. To actually open a chart, simply tap on the symbol you're interested in from that quotes list. Something like eurusd or gold. A small menu will pop up giving you a few options, and one of them will say Chart, or sometimes Open Chart depending on your version. Go ahead and tap that, and your chart will load immediately, ready for you to look at. Now, if the symbol you're looking for doesn't show up in your quotes list at all, that's completely normal and doesn't mean anything's broken. Look for a small plus icon, usually near the top of the quotes screen, and tap it to bring up the full list of everything your broker offers. Find your instrument there, tap to add it, and it'll now appear in your regular quotes list going forward, ready to open just like any other symbol. Once your chart is open, there are two quick things worth knowing right away. First, to switch how far back or how zoomed in your chart is, look for the current time frame shown near the top, something like M15 or H1, and tap it to pull up the full list of options, from 1-minute charts all the way up to monthly. Second, if you ever want to jump straight to charts without going through quotes first, you can just tap the Charts tab at the bottom directly, and it'll show you whatever chart you last had open, letting you switch symbols from right there instead. One small bonus tip: if you're on MT5 specifically, you're not limited to viewing just one chart at a time. Tap on your open chart, look for a small window icon, and select New Window to open a second chart alongside your first. Tap the window icon again and choose Tile Vertically if you'd rather see them side by side instead of stacked, which is genuinely handy once you're watching more than one instrument at once. And that's really all there is to opening charts. Find your symbol in quotes, tap it, select Chart, and you're in. Thanks for watching, and happy trading.